In today's video, we're gonna unbox this cute little car. Look at it!
What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is doing well. Today's video, we're gonna unbox this little truck that came all the way from China. So a lot of you have probably seen this little bad boy around. It's a little Kei truck, I guess. It just was kind of cool, I thought, and people were kind of interested in it, so I figured I'd pick one up from Banggood. It took like a month or so to get here. Not really sure why it took so long, but it finally showed. In today's video, we're gonna just do a quick unboxing, give you our first initial impressions, show you what it looks like, because I have no idea. I haven't watched any other videos on it. And then at another point, we'll do a little testing and see what this thing does when you actually drive it. So going over the box here, here's all the technical specs on the back. It's got leaf springs, it's got a big steering angle, and a realistic underbody. All right, so you can kind of see it's got the hole in the box. That's how it came. It was wrapped up like in that orange stuff from Banggood, but there was a hole in it. I have ordered from Banggood before, and the package was completely destroyed, so at least it's all in one piece. So Mrs. Prop's going to cut this thing open, and we're going to start taking a look at it.
Let's stop it.
Yeah, cut it open. Let's go. See what you got. Rapido, rapido.
You only wait a whole month to open.
Yeah,
wait
I know.
2 minutes more. Okay. Ooh, you got stickers.
All right, so we got some stickers here. Some tigers.
Okay.
And that's it?
That's it.
Cool.
Oh.
Some more tape. Cut all the tape. It's taped up. Doesn't seem like it was packaged like with any extra protection or anything,
Yeah.
but yeah, a little
Aw.
tray shot of the remote.
It's like a baby one.
Yeah, it's funny looking, huh? So this is
Yeah, it's perfect for my hand.
so this is like my first actual car from Banggood. I've never actually ordered any of their cars, so this looks like the little parts bag. It's got a wire in there and some accessories.
Instructions in Chinese.
Yeah, I can read Chinese. I know all those symbols.
I like. There you go.
We got English, no Spanish for you. Blah, 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 blah. Don't really need to read any of that. Pop it open, pull it out. Let's see what it is.
Whee, look at it. Looks kind of funny.
Yeah. It is super plasticky. It's got an on-off switch here in the front. Spare tire underneath. That's really funny. Oh, it feels like rubber. The suspension works with the leaf springs. Little drive shaft. So yeah, it's like a very sort of plasticky build, I think. Got those scissors. Cut that open so we can see what's in there. The doors.
Don't open. These ones work.
It's got wipers on it. I thought the doors opened, but I guess
No.
I was wrong. Yeah, no, they open if you push right here, I think.
No, it doesn't
no.
look like it
Yeah,
opens.
no.
Look.
Oh, well, that stinks. I thought the doors opened. I was kind of looking forward to that, but it does have a small interior in there. I will grab a few figures shortly and try to put them in there.
More stickers.
More stickers. Okay, this is the charger. I was wondering that because I got the battery. Okay, this looks like a little piece that you can accessorize with. So yeah, if you want to put this on there.
They got some Wpl, whatever that is.
WPL. Oh yeah, that says one plong or something. I don't know.
Mira.
Yeah, little tiny screwdriver. So they give you some tools, I guess. What do you got there?
Mirrors.
Oh, okay. So it's got a few other accessories that come with it.
Or is this like the door handles? Or
Not sure what that piece is.
No, it has the door handles. Oh, the little lights over here.
Oh, okay. Okay, so it's got some little lights.
Little lights. mirrors, the mirrors thingy here.
Okay, so
What is this?
these are extra ends to something, little rod ends. Hard to. Yeah, that's an extra drive shaft piece. Oh, okay, yeah. So the little tie rod ends for the front suspension, they give you some extras. All right, well, at least they include, you know, a few extras and stuff. I mean, this thing only comes in at like $60. So, I mean, you really can't complain. I just thought it was kind of like cool for photos and stuff. That was kind of my idea around it. I'm not actually looking to do anything too crazy. So, let's see. This looks like it pops off here. No? Where's the battery go? That's what I'm trying to figure out. Where's this charger go?
Open.
Oh, there you go. Look at that. Real slick. Okay, so the battery just goes under there. Look at that. Mrs. Prop figured it out for me. I just don't know how you get it out.
Maybe you don't. You just plug it.
No, it's gotta come out. There we go. Alright, so here's the little battery.
So it goes under the little...
Rechargeable Li-ion battery, 7.5. Okay, so this charger will go into a USB, and then you just plug this, boom, into there like so. And then this must be to plug in the power of the truck. So, okay, so that goes like that. The battery got remote got batteries in it. What kind of batteries does it take?
No, you need to open it. No, neither.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, so that takes the screwdriver.
It looks like a truck for a little midget.
Well, that's why you're gonna drive it.
It's my size.
It's your speed. It's not gonna be fast, so you should be able to control it. Okay, so it just takes AA batteries for the remote. So I'll get some of those when I get that battery charged up for the first run video. We're just gonna kind of do an unboxing here. Just kind of wanted to show you guys the truck and what came with it. If you were interested, I know people are starting to do all kinds of mods. If you're interested in seeing some really cool builds, check out RC Voodoo. I'll put a link to his channel in the description. I know he's building a drift one, and he's done a lot of work to his, and his looks really cool. But yeah, let me grab a couple figures here. Seeing how the door doesn't open, I'm gonna have to actually, the steering wheel is so low, I don't know how the figures, yeah, I don't think any figures are gonna fit in it. But let me grab some of my turtles and see. All right, so I got NECA Ninja Turtle here. These are some of the shortest figures I have. Just getting them in the window is going to be a challenge.
The one fits too.
Wow, yeah.
High.
It's almost fit, but the problem is, I think, is shell. You know what? I know who will fit.
Get one of the little midgets.
I got. All right, so I got this guy from Star Wars, and he's quite a bit shorter. Boom. See, this is why I picked this guy up, because I needed some shorter driver figures. I knew I was getting this. But, okay.
Does he feel too tall?
No. If I can get his legs down in there. Okay, the steering wheel is on the right-hand side, but I don't think I'm going to be able to get him around it yet. I'm going to have to mess around. So, yeah, he will fit in there. So he's going to have to be the driver. But I figured, you know, I could put some guys, like, in the back, sitting down, or whatever. I thought it would kind of make, like, a cool shop truck. That was kind of my plan around it, you know, just to kind of get on video. It would be pretty cool. Oh, my battery compartment's...
Break it already?
Flipping open here. Yeah, I don't know how that goes. Okay,
oh, there you go.
That just clips on. So, yeah, he won't fit in there, but this guy will. So that's good. I haven't held the radio yet either. Yeah, feels like a little cheap radio. Any other thoughts you have on this?
Nope, I can drive it.
Yeah, you're gonna be able to drive it. So, well, I guess that's gonna wrap it up for the unboxing. Nothing crazy. Just wanted to show you guys the truck. We'll see where we go with it and what we do. You know, I'm curious to see what other people are doing. it's just kind of for fun. I'm not going to take it serious. I know a lot of other people are doing some cool things, like I mentioned RC Voodoo there. So if you're curious to see what kind of can be done, definitely search for it. And I will be doing the same and see what we can do. Try to get some accessories kind of to fill up the back or whatever. I just thought it would kind of be a fun little toy to play around with, because essentially I think that's kind of all it is just a toy. It's not really hobby grade or anything, but you know, you do at least get this battery with it. You get the remote, and you know, I think it's a pretty good value. They're pretty cheap. You can find coupons and stuff, so you could probably get it for a little less than $60. But yeah, well, time will tell. I'll have to drive it and see if it's even worth the $60. But initial impressions, it's not so bad. So yeah,
You can make a pool party in it. Woo!
Oh yeah, that's what you want to do. Well, all right, guys, that is going to wrap it up for this unboxing. Don't forget, we have our scale photo contest going on. Email us your best scale photo, 1 photo per entry per month. Email that to rcpropaganda@yahoo.com.
Also follow us on Instagram.
And we'll catch you guys in the next video.